In a minute you'll see why I come here so often on bike rides. Look at that. Nice breakfast. Scrambled eggs, bacon, a nice muffin, fresh fruit, $5. I've had requests from people to include some maps with my bike rides, and and I've wanted to do it because I love maps. It's tricky. It takes some time to fiddle around with it. I found an app called GPX Animator. You give it a GPS track, and it'll generate this map for you. And then I fiddled around a little bit, trying to get it to work for me. So that's the concrete road that I love riding on. And then eventually we'll stop here at the Bella Goose for our lovely breakfast. Hope you join me again on the next ride. Really enjoyed bringing you along on this one. Take care. See you next time.